Hi, this is the installation video for the Platinum Series case for the HTC Evo Shift 4G. Alright, the first thing we're going to want to do is slide open the phone so the keyboard's reviewed. And we're going to go ahead and install the bottom half first. To install the bottom half, we're going to put this corner down first, and then we're going to snap it in. You can tell that it is on. Alright, next we're going to install the top portion. Before we install it, make sure the top groove is going to be pointing on the top of the phone. And here, as you can see, the bottom does not have any grooves. Alright, to install it, we're going to hold the bottom, and then we're going to snap on top corners. You can see they're installed. Alright, and you have installed the Platinum Series case. If you have any questions, please contact technical support.